Introduction. Today India will win. Yes, India will win today. Look at the run rate graph. India is heading West Indies. What is this graph showing? I cannot understand. Basically, it shows the x-axis and y-axis on which the run rate is given against overs. Okay, can you tell me more of this? Yeah, sure. In this lesson, you will learn the concepts of coordinate geometry. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to find the distance between two given coordinates, divide the line segment in a ratio, find the area of triangle when its vertices are given. Distance formula. When you know the coordinates of 2 points, then we can find the distance between them. Let the 2 points be A and B as shown in the figure. We can run lines down from A and along from B to make a right-angled triangle. Now using Pythagoras theorem, we get A square plus B square is equal to C square. Now label the coordinates of points A and B. XA means the x-coordinate of point A. YA means the y-coordinate of point A. The horizontal distance A is XA minus XB. The vertical distance B is YA minus YB. So now we can solve for C, which is the distance between the points. C square is equal to A square plus B square. Now by substituting the values of A and B, we get C square is equal to XA minus XB whole square plus YA minus YB whole square. The final result is C is equal to under root of XA minus XB whole square plus YA minus YB whole square. Example. Find the distance between the points as shown in the figure given below. Solution. From the distance formula, C is equal to under root of XA minus XB whole square plus YA minus YB whole square. C is equal to under root of minus 3 minus 7 whole square plus 5 minus 1 whole square. C is equal to under root of minus 10 whole square plus 6 whole square. C equals under root of 100 plus 36. C is equal to 11.66. Find a relation between x and y such that the point xy is equidistant from the points 6, 2 and 8, 4. Solution. Let Pxy be equidistant from the points A 6, 2 and B 8, 4. According to question, AP is equal to BP, so AP square is equal to BP square. X minus 6 whole square plus Y minus 2 whole square equals X minus 8 whole square plus Y minus 4 whole square. By calculating it, we get x square plus 36 minus 12x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y equals x square plus 64 minus 16x plus y square plus 16 minus 8y, which is equal to 36 minus 12x plus 4 minus 4y equals 64 minus 16x plus 16 minus 8y, which becomes minus 12x minus 4y plus 16x plus 8y, which equals 64 plus 16 minus 4 minus 36, equal to 4x plus 4y is equal to 40, which is equal to x plus y, which equals 10. Section formula. The coordinates of the point PXY, which divides the line segment joining the points AX1Y1 and BX2Y2 internally in the ratio M1 is to M2 are M1x2 plus M2x1 by M1 plus M2, M1y2 plus M2y1 by M1 plus M2. Graphical representation is shown in the figure given below. Special case. The midpoint of a line segment divides the line segment in the ratio 1:1. Therefore, the coordinates of the midpoint P of the joint of points A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2 is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Example. In what ratio does the point -3, 2 divide the line segment joining the points A -5, 8 and B 1, -7? Solution. Let the ratio be k:1 using the section formula. -3, 2 is equal to k minus 5 by k plus 1 minus 7k plus 8 by k plus 1. So, -3 is equal to k minus 5 by k plus 1. -3 into k plus 1 equals k minus 5, which is equal to -3k minus 3 equals k minus 5 equal to -3k minus k equals -5 plus 3 is equal to -4k equals -2. K is 1 by 2. So the ratio is k:1 is equal to 1:2. Area of triangle. In earlier classes, when the base and altitude of triangle is given, then we find its area by using the formula area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into altitude. Let ABC be any triangle with vertices A x1, y1, B x2, y2 and C x3, y3. Then its area can be found by using the formula given below. Area of triangle equals 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Example. Find the area of the triangle formed by the points A 1, 4, B 2, 3 and C 4, 2. Solution. From the formula of the area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 into x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. We have area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2, 1 into 3 minus 2 plus 2 into 2 minus 4 plus 4 into 4 minus 3. On calculating we get area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 square units. Did you know? The French mathematician René Descartes develops the coordinate geometry. Descartes published his ideas in 1637 in a treatise called La Géométrie. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Distance formula is the distance between point AXA, YA and BXB, YB is under root of XA minus XB whole square plus YA minus YB whole square. The section formula is given as M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2, M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. If the ratio is 1:1, then the formula is modified to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Area of triangle is 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2.